If you're starting van life, stop right there. Before buying anything, you need a compost toilet. Do I recommend this toilet? This right here is a game changer and is making our life in the van so much easier. This was supposed to be a van tour video, but that's not happening today. But I'm just gonna talk about the main question that we get. What is the bathroom situation? What is a dry toilet? What's a compost toilet? Do we use public restrooms? So this is it. This is our compost toilet. We got this 2 months ago, I believe. We wanted to try it before giving you an honest review. And this is it. Let me tell you about Trelino, which is a German company. And so far, it's working great. Only con I can think about is the price. It's a little pricey, yes, but still way cheaper than other toilets out there. So I can't complain about that. And this one is the extra large one, I believe. I'll put the information here. But you can get a smaller one or a medium size. It all depends on your needs. But for us, that we are living in the van full time, we need the bigger size. Things that we are loving about this toilet so far is that it doesn't look like a toilet and it's super lightweight. It's pretty comfortable. It's extremely easy to clean. Just make sure that you don't use any harsh chemicals. Wait, lo más importante is that this toilet is made out of recyclable plastics. So I love that about this company. Tiene un ergonomic seat, so it's pretty comfortable. This is how it works. This is a dry toilet. What is a dry toilet? Well, this toilet doesn't use any water. See that it has the separator. It separates your liquids from the solids. The inside, it looks like this. And don't worry, I cleaned the toilet. It's my toilet. I can touch it. I cleaned it for this. So this right here is your liquid jug, aka your pee jug. It has this huge opening, so it's super easy to get in there and clean very well. And this super cool lid that if you look closely, it has this lip right here. So it's very easy to the liquid to go in but not out. So if there's any movement, you know, you're not gonna have any spills. So pretty cool design. I love that. Here you have your solids bucket. It's pretty huge, so you can use it a few times. And just make sure you use a biodegradable bag. So just add your compost material here. Liquids go here, solids go there. Once you're done, you have to sprinkle that compost material over. And then you can leave it like that or use the lid to cover that. So far, we leave it like that since your poop is covered with compost material. We haven't had the issue that it smells in the van, so it's working great. Same with the pee. Usually what stinks the most is your liquids. Since this lid has that lip, I think it helps because we haven't got any smells so far. So once you're ready to dump your liquids, you can cover it and then you can take it to the dump station or a restroom, dump it in the toilet. Then you can wash this, rinse it. Like I said, don't use any harsh chemicals on this plastic. Of course, you can use this multiple times. You don't have to change it each time. It's up to you. It's your toilet. Use it as you please. This is the way we use it. We go, we cover it up until we're ready for using it again, and maybe we use it 3 or 4 times. It depends on the day. I don't know. It's your toilet. I don't know what's your bathroom situation. So anyways, once you're done, do a little knot and throw it away. There's no need to use the hose to clean the whole thing because it doesn't have that mixing attachment that other toilets have. It's just very clean because you dump the baggie away and that's it. Don't come at me telling me that, ew, you put your poop in a dumpster. It's okay. You put dirty diapers or dog poop. So I put my poop in the dumpster. It's okay. Life is good. Do I recommend this toilet? I totally do. This is my honest review, and make sure you subscribe. If you subscribe, you are helping our channel out. So that's it. Check them out. I will put the information in the description box. Don't forget, event tour coming up. So stay tuned for that. And that's it. Be kind. Bye. We gotta go. I'm hungry. Oh, and we have to find a place to sleep tonight. So peace. Bye. Big shout out to Trelino for sponsoring today's toilet. Today's video. What am I saying?